plateau of Giza stands forever the mightiest of human achievements. No traveler, emperor, merchant, or poet, so faithful, so vigilant, so near him that he gave me his face, my love. I am a Pharaoh's companion. Over this one, the Sphinx has gazed and watched for 5,000 years. At the foot of such mountains of stone, everything becomes minute and insignificant. Man is an insect. Yet, it was men who built these massive monuments. And the names of pharaohs whose tombs they are have crossed the ages. Their glory has defeated time.
This is the tomb of Khufu, pharaoh of the 4th dynasty, 4,500 years ago. Here is the great pyramid which he built to defend himself against death.
455 feet high. He achieved the building of the highest monument then known to man, Westminster Abbey and St. Paul's. 3 million blocks of stone, some of them weighing 30 tons, were assembled by Cheops' faithful workmen to achieve this fabulous construction. At the center of it, the pharaoh planned his inner chamber, where his mummy was to lie in splendor for eternity.
At the foot of this pyramid, in the rock, a temple was built. And there were kept the barges of Cheops, the barges of night. In these large wooden vessels, the dead pharaoh could continue his voyage in darkness towards eternity.
Polished limestone on the apex, originally extended over all 4 sides, adding to the magnificence of the pyramid.
In the guise of the Sphinx, carved in rock near his tomb.
A third monumental tomb was soon to complete this immense funeral site of Giza and make it one of the wonders of the world. Though smaller, the Pyramid of Mykerinos is perhaps the most impressive, for being the culminating point of a vast design. Having built it, the workmen climbed down from its granite flanks and, laying down their tools, looked up with wonderment.
City in the plain which joined Upper and Lower Egypt.
Great and powerful were the pharaohs, who on this side of the Nile built for eternity. Its aim accomplished, the 4th dynasty collapsed. And the inscription on the one that completed the design claims, "Divine is Mykerinos."
Sarcophagi may be empty,
courtesans, each in his proper place, in these funerary chambers, which are called mastabas. For this is a royal palace of the dead, with triumphal perspectives, pavilions, corridors, secret rooms, strong walls. It was a city of another world, approachable by the people only as near as the outer temples, where their devotion led them.
Coming from the Nile, one ascended by a monumental causeway built on the same colossal scale to the high temple, where only the priests lived among the secrets of the mummies. They alone knew for what journey the great barges were being prepared at the foot of the tomb. Let us stand by a tomb, like 1,000 others, that of the mother of Cheops, and in it, by the lips marked with golden hieroglyphs, which she had prepared for the eternal journey by her son's side.
Built in a pharaoh's lifetime by 100,000 workmen, united in a mighty surge of faith. Each stone averaged 2.5 tons in weight. 3 million blocks were hoisted up and laid one upon the other. The finest ones of pure granite were dug up in the quarries of Aswan, whence they came by boat, carried by the flooding of the Nile. The movement of these great waters drove the farmers from their inundated fields to the plateau of Giza, where they joined the army of laborers and built. These stones were hauled singly on earth mounds, banked higher and higher as the edifice grew.